Hello mga ka-real estate buddies. So for today's video, atong istoryahan ang mga ongoing cost after purchasing a certain property. So right after sa reservation or right after nga like na turnover ng imong unit, unsa may mga ongoing costs nga imong i-expect. So first, we have the so-called property taxes. So diha na mosulod ang gitawag natong RPT or the real property tax, and usually that is annual or yearly based on the property value. So ikaduha ka nang gitawag og HOA fees or homeowners association fees. So it's either monthly or yearly fees for the community maintenance. So depende na siya sa developer. Then we have the third one na insurance. So property insurance for protections against risks. So usually ang uban ana iapil na siya sa mobile fees kanang like fire insurance and other insurance sa imong balay. Then ikaupat is the maintenance and repairs. So of course regular upkeep and unexpected repairs kay syempre ang balay mo kuan gyud na siya, need gyud na siya maintenance. Then ikalima is the utilities, the monthly bills or water, electricity, etc. like internet. So apil na siya sa mga bayranan. Then the sixth one is the mortgage payments. If imo na siyang gi-finance, di-pa-finance, like bank financing or pag-financing, so every month yung ka magbayad. And then, that's some of the expected ongoing fees nga imong bayaran after nag-purchase ka sa imong property. I hope it helps, and don't forget to follow and share. Thank you.